Hey guys, and welcome to another drawing segment with the Rouser. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a quick little cartoon tutorial on how to draw President Trump. Okay, guys, so I went on ahead and I got a little photo reference here. This one's a pretty cool one. He's got the thumbs up going on. He's nice and smiling. It's always good to have a picture when someone's smiling, because it is just easier to draw a picture of someone smiling than someone frowning. You know, one of those type of things. So anyway, for this exercise, guys, I have a Sharpie marker. This is just a regular fine point marker. I'm going to have a gray Crayola marker for my shadows and shades. I'm going to use this mechanical pencil here, and we'll show you what we're going to use that for within the drawing. This is a new thing I've been trying. And then we'll just have a couple of shading markers here. These are just big permanent markers. These can be found in the description box below. Just go ahead and check that out. Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So I like to start with my basic head shape, so let's just go ahead and let's do that real quick. Okay, you want to kind of look for shapes within the face, kind of that help you to define your features. Okay, these are, I'm gonna make this a little bit light right there. Okay, so that's a good little shape right there. We don't want to do anything definite as far as his shapes are concerned, because of he has a little bit of, well, a little bit of flab on the neck. No pun intended. But we just want to, that's one of the things that make us is our imperfections. You gotta own it. You know what I mean? Like me, I have a bald spot all over the top of my head. I'm joking. All right, anyway, I'm gonna go here. We're gonna put our ear shape in right here. Okay, and then we're gonna do the bottom of our ear shape here. We're gonna just kind of come out here and, we'll just hook into this space over here. And we'll just kind of connect the dots with the picture. That's really all you're doing. You're using your ability to judge distances. At the same time, you want to avoid trying to draw a portrait. You don't want to draw a portrait either. So that's something that you just gotta, it just takes time and it takes practice. Okay. Now, let's see here. You want to bring that hairline down about right here. Then I'm gonna just draw this little piece right here, but we want to use light lines to do this part. Okay, you see how light those lines are, and then the shape just kind of comes like this, and then it wraps over. But I use a very thin line right there, and then over here I just go ahead and bring this around like that. See here, we want to maintain that kind of a square shape for its head, so we want to use a real light line. And then over the top here, we'll just bring this over. See how it looks like it's just wrapping around there. Okay, so we got a pretty good and decent little cartoon going on so far. Okay, let's go ahead and give him his presidential suit. Okay, now guys, we're going to go ahead, once we have our head shape, we'll take our little pencil, right? And then I like to use this technique here where I draw like a equilateral triangle almost. Okay, kind of to tell me where I want my eyes and nose and everything to go. Okay, so you see that equilateral triangle? That means that here basically is where my nose shape is going to be. You get it? This will make it so that I don't put the shapes too far up or down. Okay, so you just draw that in there, right? And I don't do no tracing once I do that. I just go ahead and I'll go ahead and do his eyebrows like this, right? Look. Okay, cool little eyebrows, right? And then here we'll go ahead and we'll just draw our shape. See that? 1, 2, right? 3, 4, right? And then we'll do a light line here underneath. See how light that line is? Okay. And then we'll come over here. We'll put like a little bit of a dot in there for his eyes, right? Put a little light circle in there. And then we're just going to put some puffiness under the eyes there. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead here. We'll put the nose shape. Okay, so look at how that nose shape goes. See, everything's nice and lined up because of that triangle. We know where everything's supposed to go now. Okay, presidential nose. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll just draw a little space here in between the nose. Bring it down. So that looks good. Okay, now all we gotta do here is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna draw his mouth. So we'll go with a little line like that. Okay. Put the top lip kind of thin right there. And we'll just go ahead and put the bottom like that. And let's put some edge lines there. And then we want to put we definitely want to put, you see when you put these little lines here, it gives the caricature a little bit more age, a little bit more maturity is what we like to call it. We don't call people old in Rowserworld, we just call them mature for their mature looking. Yeah. Add some little lines here. Alright, so now we got a really good looking Donald Trump picture right there. I'm going to go ahead and we'll erase our equilateral triangle. That triangle, once again, you just use it for, I just use it for, to help me to position my features so everything comes out just right. Okay, now gray marker is for our shadows. So we'll go ahead and we'll add a little bit of shadow here and here. Here, add some just down the side of the nose to bring that profile out just a little bit. The good thing about using a gray to do your shadows is because you don't have to add extra lines to your picture. Because when you add extra lines, what happens is it winds up looking too busy. So you want to use a line that kind of like this here. So we got the bottom lip, see there, just like that. I'll put a little shadow here. See how I'm able to just bring my shadows in and just create. Just go ahead and create a little something that the president will be proud of. I got a few lines in the ear I forgot to put in there. So let's go back and put those in. Just like that. Yeah, there we go. also shadowing our eyebrows. See how now it's going to really start kicking in right there, looking like him. Awesome. Okay, put some more darks under here. I want those darks in there. Okay, and then I also want to put a little bit of his, you see that right there? Just a little bit. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll just start doing the presidential hair. See how I just use that swooping motion? Excuse me, guys. And then I just bring it like a curve. Look, I'm using the side, curving it back in toward the inside. Okay. Then back here, you see how it just kind of fades off into the back. And over here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to just kind of go use the side of your marker and leave a little bit of light in there, just like that. Remember, my friend, just kind of relax and draw. Relax and draw. You know, this is supposed to be a fun exercise. Don't think about it too much. This is an exercise in reactive drawing. I want you to be able to react, you know, on a whim's notice. Yeah. Okay, so last but not least, guys, we're going to use these markers here. These are my big markers here. And what I kind of use these for is to add effects, like dark effects. You see how I can add a little bit of darkness in certain areas? See, like right there. Maybe I can fix his tie up right with that. I can also use it to add just a little bit of lines. I'm using see the chisel tip, see that point right there? That's what I'm using. Using the chisel tip. The chisel tip. The chisel, the chisel, the chisel, the chisel. Yeah. Alright. So, oh, now I see something that I forgot there. But there's no problem. You know, he has this little hair that does like this in the back. You almost left that out. How could you guys let me do that? You're supposed to let me know when I'm missing something. Alright, so just about there, guys. I'm just gonna use this black again and I'm gonna just fill that part in. Okay. And now all we have to do is just we'll use this to give our picture a little contrast on the jacket. And we are home free, guys. I want to thank you for watching my little video tutorial how to draw President Trump as a cartoon. Hope you guys enjoyed my little video here. It was the best I got, guys. I tried. Okay. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. Until then, guys, you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. And don't forget to subscribe below. Just put a few loose hairs here, just so it'll look real. Yeah, don't forget to sign your work. And oh, one more thing. Now you gotta do this right here. Awesome. Well, you guys have a blessed and wonderful day again. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.